Most people interact with AI as casual users. To become an AI architect, you have to stop typing blindly into a prompt box and start engineering the underlying system. That requires decoding the black box of a large language model, allowing you to dictate exactly what it outputs. Think of the LLM as the raw engine at the center of your architecture. Left to its own devices, this engine simply makes predictive guesses. To exert total control, you must build a specific ecosystem of engineered inputs and strict guardrails around it. Inside the engine, processing happens in 4 mathematical steps. Text is broken down into individual tokens, converted into numerical vectors called embeddings, filtered through self-attention to weigh context, and finally used to predict the next word. There is no conscious thought happening here. It is purely a probability calculator, predicting one token at a time. To steer those probabilities, you control the input using metaprompting. This structures your request around 4 pillars: world context, the specific task, examples, and tight constraints. Instead of memorizing 100 different prompting tricks, metaprompting feeds the official industry guides from Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic into the model, forcing it to write the optimal prompt for you. Because the LLM is entirely predictive, the quality of your output is strictly a product of how well you structure that input data. Standard cloud-based LLMs have 2 inherent flaws. Your private data is exposed to their servers, and the models hallucinate facts to fill gaps in their probability chains. You solve the data privacy risk by downloading open-source models directly to your machine using tools like LM Studio, keeping your proprietary data completely offline. To cure hallucinations, you build a Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, architecture. RAG works by taking your source documents, slicing them into smaller searchable chunks, retrieving only the relevant data, and forcing the LLM to construct its answer strictly from that text. You can deploy this locally for personal use via Google's Notebook LM, or build enterprise-level RAG workflows to deploy to clients using a platform like Diffify. By restricting the LLM to your provided chunks, you bypass its pre-trained memory entirely, turning a creative guesser into a secure, factual engine. This chart shows the completed architecture. You steer the core LLM engine with engineered metaprompts, and you secure the outputs through RAG deployments in Notebook LM and Diffify. Your immediate action item is to take today's session transcripts and upload them into Notebook LM to build your own personal AI mentor. Lock down these structural foundations now. You will need them fully operational before we scale.